right, welcome to how to make a slip knot for crocheting. And first thing you want to do is definitely find the end of your yarn, okay? And when you're crocheting, you always want to unravel a nice bit of yarn so that you're not pulling and yanking for more yarn. So first start it, you just make a little loop like that, okay? Just a little loop. All right, and then you pull some string right through it and it makes a little loop just like that. And the trick is that you can make the loop smaller or bigger. It's a very handy little knot because it's not knotted so that you can't break it or take your yarn out. You could undo it just like that. Okay, that's the thing about a slip knot. You can undo it. It slips. So once again, you just make a little loop like that, okay, in here. I'll do it again. Okay, take your yarn, make a little loop, stick your fingers through there, and grab some yarn over here. Pull both sides and tighten it, and then you can have your little slip knot like that. And again, if you don't like it, you want to start over, just undo it.